Using common expressions. In conversations, learning common expressions helps you sound more natural in English. Let's go over some phrases you can use in daily life. Expressions for agreeing. That's A. Good idea. I totally agree with you. Exactly. Now tell me, how would you agree with someone? Expressions for asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? I have a question. Could you explain that again? Now, practice asking for help. What would you say? Expressions for giving your opinion. I think this restaurant is great. In my opinion, learning English is fun. I believe practice makes perfect. Now tell me, how would you share your opinion? Using expressions like these makes conversations easier and more natural.